Welcome to the Dimensions CM14.2 New Feature Getting Started Guide on Shelves. Shelving is a new feature within Dimensions 14.2 that essentially allows users to shelve their current work or modifications made against a particular stream and resets the current work area back to its original status before those changes were made. At a later date, recall those changes and maybe merge them back into the current stream. This is the process known as shelving. So we're going to take a quick look at that now. So for this demo, I'm going to create a brand new stream, which I shall call str1. And I'll use a work area. I'm going to create a brand new work area here called stream1. And we're going to make this an empty stream. And the first thing we're going to do is populate that stream with a simple text file, which I'll call hello1. And I'll text hello into it. And we shall deliver those changes. Now we're going to make some more changes in the work area. So I'm going to edit this file. And add an additional file called hello2.txt. So here we have two changes that have been identified, a modification and an addition. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say, well, I don't need to work on those changes at the moment. I've got a new set of changes coming in, so I'm going to shelve these off. And so what shelving is going to do is it's going to create a personal stream which is going to generate a new name on. It's called dmsys_str1 because I'm logged in as dmsys. And if you notice, there's an additional option here: after shelving, reset the work area to the latest repository content. In other words, we're going to shelve this information off. In other words, this modification and addition. So hitting the shelve button. And because we've selected the option to reset, we're going to re-update the work area back to having its original changes in place. So we have those two options here: reset the work area and delete locally added files. So here we can see there's a locally added file, hello2, and a modification which we're going to roll back. So if we close that off, go back to our work area, we can see that the hello1.txt is back to its original state. The modifications have completely disappeared. And now under this hypothetical work scenario, we're going to make some changes required for a new development stream. So I'm just going to add a line. And I'm going to create a file called hello3.txt. And we're going to deliver those changes. The changes have now been delivered, and now, for example, we've completed our work on that set of changes, and we now want to unshelve those modifications that we made and bring them back in. So to do that, we simply select merge, and then we just click on next because we're going to merge streams. We shall select the shelved stream. If you notice, the shelved stream has a little icon indicating that it's a personal stream as well. This is only visible to the user, so we're going to select that. We now click on next, it's picked up those changes. There's a conflict on hello1 and an additional file hello2. So we just click on merge. It's worked out these changes need to be delivered. So we just click on deliver. Click on next, making sure we've picked up all those changes, and it's now picking up the changes from that shelved stream. Click on deliver. If we refresh that view, we can see that both sets of files are now in place. And if we look and browse, just have a quick look at the history first of all, we can see that we are contributing changes from the shelved revision as well as the latest revision. And if I just browse that content, we can see now that we have the original contents, the change set contents, and the shelved contents. And that is a quick overview of shelving within Dimensions CM14.2. Please do take a look at the associated Getting Started guide. Thank you very much for watching.